Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. Gary Christian's the van guy, serving you since 1981. We got more vans for you today. Today we have a 2020 Coachmen Beyond. Well, it used to be called the CrossFit, and now they went Beyond to make sure that nobody got upset with the name. Nice entry screen. Good grab bar. Let's take a look here in the back. So you've got a forward-facing couch with 3 seat belts. You can crank it down all the way down, and you've got now twin beds. And of course, you can take the cushions, fill it in, and make yourself a grandiose bed. Let me run it back up. Storage cabinets galore, entertainment, DVD player. Of course, your TV swivels around out into the aisle place. You've got marine grade vinyl, and you got the coolest shades in the world. You got your screen on top, privacy on the bottom, so you can run them up and down, alter them if you'd like to, and then all the way down here. And we've got solar on board because it says so right here. These are the flat solar. They go right on top. They don't stick up like the other ones do. Storage all the way through. Got cup holders here in the back on both sides of the couch. So if you have guests in the back, they have a place to put their stuff. 110 outlet, 12 volt outlet, USB ports right behind the solid surface countertop. Recessed 2 burners, under counter sink, all solid wood all the way through, and lock them in for travel. Yes, that's a garbage can and a spot for more. Little scrubber brush. Neatest refrigerator. This is the bomb. Freezer on the bottom. How often do we get in the freezer? Not as much as we get into the refrigerator. It's right on top, easy to get to. Do have a shelf combi closet hanging space. This unit's 22 feet long. Nice bathroom. Virtually maybe one seam in here. For you, that's less maintenance. Dispenser for your soap, conditioner, and all that kind of stuff. Shower curtain, LED light. And then if you take a look here, we've got your storage and your Xantrax controller for your inverter, tank heater, Truma heating. It's got your master disconnect switch, and this one you can actually go in with your iPhone and work all the stuff, see what your stuff is. It's a phenomenal system, and you got it in the back as well as the front. Ford Transit, Echo Boost. If you're going uphill, you're only going to get passed by somebody if you let them. This will flat move out. Very comfortable. The passenger seat does swivel around. You got power mirrors, great visibility, and the unit's only 22 feet long. I will disconnect the switch, which is right by the entry door. It will not step on my sunglasses. Let's go take a look around. Nice wide running board. It's fixed, it doesn't retract in and out, so it's got a nice surface base so you wouldn't slip. The Truma Aldi system, it's low heat, so you don't have to worry about burning yourself. You have an electrical outlet on the opposite side of the driver, so if you wanted to plug something in underneath your electric awning, you've got access to it. Trailer hitch, 5,000 pounds towing capacity. This is a 1-ton dually vehicle, so it will carry the load and trailer it as well. You have your exhaust for your generator here, freshwater connection, black water flush, city water, your 110 hookup. Your dump's right down here. Outdoor shower, sewer here, and this is your access for your fuel tank. If you have any questions, I would enjoy having you give me a call direct, 541-554-9581, or use my email, or go to Facebook, The Van Guy. Either way, I'm with you.